Now with what's being called a game changer in the world of weight loss. Zepbound is the newest drug to be approved by the FDA, and it's being called the most effective medicine of its kind. Eva Pilgrim has those details for us. Good morning, Eva.
Good morning, Robin. Zepbound contains the same compound that's in Mounjaro, the diabetes drug that's been used off-label for weight loss. The FDA approval paving the way for more people to have access to this medication at a more affordable price tag.
This morning, the FDA approving a new weight loss drug that's being hailed as a potential game changer.
I think for many patients that could be a life-changing level of weight loss. It's a level that hasn't been seen before.
The FDA clearing Zepbound for adults with obesity or those considered overweight with at least one weight-related condition like diabetes or high blood pressure. Zepbound, the latest drug in a new class of obesity medication specifically approved by the FDA for weight loss. The FDA approving Wegovy, a similar drug, in June of 2021.
I'm doing my second shot of Mounjaro.
Heather Winterstein of Brooklyn, Mississippi, was on Mounjaro for 11 months and lost 92 pounds, but she received the medication through a coupon program offered by the manufacturer. When the program ended, she turned to her insurance only to learn Mounjaro wasn't covered for weight loss.
After having such great success with Mounjaro, it was literally heartbreaking to lose the coverage for that because it not only changed my weight, but it literally changed my health. I mean, going from having super high blood pressure, high cholesterol, being on 4 different medications for both of those conditions, also being pre-diabetic.
Winterstein said she had to turn to a compounding version of the drug, but is now hopeful she might be able to switch back.
I just hope that insurance companies catch up really quickly because this is absolutely life-changing medication.
The FDA's decision opens the door to have the drug covered by insurance for those with weight loss management as part of their policy.
We're working with payers and insurance companies and employers, who are often the people who pay for medicines, to make sure they cover it for their patients, for their employees and their customers who are patients, so that they don't have to pay out of pocket. That's our goal.
Now, Zepbound is expected to be on shelf sometime after Thanksgiving. With insurance, it could be as low as $25. If your insurance doesn't cover this, the drug maker is offering a savings program that could give some people a discount as much as 50% off the list price, but it's still expensive, as low as $550 or more, guys.
Appreciate that, Eva. We want to delve into this much more, and we're going to bring in our chief medical correspondent now, Dr. Jennifer Ashton.
Yeah.
So how does this work?
So, Robin, this is the new kid on the block. It might be the best kid on the block, according to data, achieving weight loss about 20% approximately from someone's starting body weight. Targets 2 hormones, whereas Ozempic really works on one that increase the feeling of fullness, decrease hunger, slows the GI tract. There can be side effects, of course, with any medication. Those are largely gastrointestinal, and there is a rare but increased risk of certain type of thyroid cancer as well.
You mentioned some of the side effects. Who qualifies for this medication?
So according to the FDA approval, George, it's for people who are obese, and it is for people who are overweight with at least one associated obesity comorbid medical condition. It is not for people who want to lose, a couple of pounds. And again, the real hope with this FDA approval is that insurance companies will then start to cover obesity care, and the cost will come down. But off-label use of this and other FDA-approved weight loss medication, which is very common, will definitely continue.
And you're board certified in obesity medicine. How big of a deal is this FDA approval? Is it all financial, or is it also health?
No, it's health. And I want to be crystal clear. The word game changer is being used by a lot of obesity medicine experts, because when you have 70% of the population who's overweight or obese, that's how significant it is. When you look at the gold standard of treatment from the American Board of Obesity Medicine, FDA-approved weight loss medications are in the dead center of that pyramid. They have a major, major role for a lot of people.
I know you have much more you're going to talk about on GMA 3
yes,
later
we will.
today. All right, Jen.
You bet.
As always, thank you. Well, hey there, GMA fans. Robin Roberts here. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Lots of great stuff here. So go on, click the subscribe button right over here to get more of awesome videos and content from GMA every day, anytime. We thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the morning on GMA.